po ang pinaka nagiging problem sa katawan or concern or madalas na nangangalay?
Oo, mabilis ako mangalay. Tapos
Saan?
masakit lagi yung balakang ko.
Balakang. Okay?
Actually, kasi ngayon, kakagaling ko lang North Loop, Luzon Loop. So,
Ano ba?
kailangan natin
Biking ba
mag-ano.
ito or
Kotse,
motor?
pero
Tagal yun ah.
oo,
Mhm.
sobrang uncomfortable. So,
Medyo pagod ang katawan sa state
yes.
of...
Kakauwi ko lang kahapon.
Mhm.
Ay,
Medyo mabigat-bigat pa.
yes.
Good evening, Rock Nation. I'm Master, your PT on the go again. And I'm a chiropractic specialist. Kasama ko sa Project 8 ngayon sa bahay si...
Vina Vins.
Yes. Vina, kamusta po ang pinaka nagiging problem sa katawan or concern or madalas na nangangalay? Ganun.
Oo, mabilis ako mangalay. Tapos
Saan?
masakit lagi yung balakang ko.
Balakang. Okay?
And, ano ba? Actually, kasi ngayon, kakagaling ko lang North Loop, Luzon Loop. So,
Ano ba?
kailangan natin
Biking ba
mag-ano.
ito or
Kotse,
motor?
pero
Tagal yun ah.
oo,
Mhm.
sobrang uncomfortable.
Mhm.
Ayun. So,
Medyo pagod ang katawan sa state
yes.
of...
Kakauwi ko lang kahapon.
Mhm.
Ay,
Medyo mabigat-bigat pa.
yes.
Okay. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng physical test. Let's see. Okay? Posture up. Good. Nice. Kamusta yan? May nangangalay ba? Wala naman.
Wala naman.
Good. Tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Yan. Anong pakiramdam? Saan
Ito yung matigas na yun.
pagka nag-right?
Yes.
Okay. Tingala. Go. Ang pinaka-normal is about 90 degrees right there. Kamusta yan? Ano nangyari?
Sakit.
Masakit na. Okay? So at least, andun pa naman tayo sa motion. Okay? Pero merong pain na nangyayari. Okay, yuko. Okay? Push natin ng konti. Go, push. Yan. Kamusta ito? Any connection?
Medyo, dito.
Right here. Okay. So, medyo unstable na ng konti.
Yung, according din sa chiropractor, kasi may scolio ako.
Yes.
So, hindi, yung bone ko dito.
Okay. Let's see. Tignan natin mamaya. Okay? Sige. Ngayon, tignan natin yung shoulders mo. Right here. Yan. All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. Sige. Diretso ang siko. Yan. Kamusta yan?
Kaya.
Hindi kaya? Mabigat, masikip. May kasamang pain.
Masakit.
Down. Sige, down. Masakit. More on right?
Oo.
Sige, mula sa harap. All the way up. Ilagpas sa tenga. Kamusta yan?
Masakit
Sige,
sa kanan.
down. Saan? More on right or both? More on right. Okay? Tignan natin yung lateral support. This one. Twist. Kamusta yan?
Ito na yan.
Yes. Normal is about here. Kabila. Go. Yan. So almost. Very good. Right here. Good. Masikip. May pain. Wala.
Wala.
Very good. Masikip lang.
Yes.
Okay. Stand up. Yan. Ganito tayo. Okay. Go. Back bend. Kamusta yan?
Okay.
Up. Okay lang? Good. Check natin. Harap ka sa akin. Ang iyong buong spine. All the way down. Sige, good. Sige, relax mo. Let's see kung ano yung improvement sa iyong scoliosis before. Up ng konti. Right there. Okay? So, right here, ay meron tayong 2, 3, 4 degree sa ating lumbar to thoracic. Okay? Up ng konti. Yan. So, okay naman ito. Very good. And up, last one. Very good na din. Okay, ang pinaka-problema ay ito. Right here. So, thoracic 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, lumbar 1, 2, 3. Okay, right here. Mas nakataas ito kaysa dito. Okay? So, yung pinaka-curve na tinitignan natin is about 4 to 6 curve. Degree. Okay? So, mababa lang naman. Mas maayos natin yan ngayon. Ready ka na?
Okay, go.
So, diretso. Taas. Go. Up, up, up. Nice. Kamusta yan?
Okay naman.
Mabigat? Hindi. Slight.
Kaya naman.
Good. Kabila. Go. Kamusta yan?
Lang.
Very good. Down. Same. Okay? Okay. Go. Stretch. Ready? 1. Very good. Let it out. And exhale 5. Nice one. Nothing more. Good. 1. Nice one. Good. Mas tight. Inhale. Exhale. Nice one. Good. Alright. Kaya? Here. Sige. Gagawin mo ay itataas ng sabay. Okay? Sige. Diretso. Itataas ng sabay.
Okay.
Yes, nakadiretso. Pwede kang humawak sa taas ng bed sa ulo. Para may pwersa ka. Alright? Sige. Get ready. Go up. Taas. Very good. Yan. Tigasan ito. Yan. Matigas. Yan. Good. Nice one. Ang dami. Yan. Ito po yung tension na nakukuha kapag sobrang tagal na nakaupo. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Lower down. Nothing more. Good. Inhale again. And exhale. Nice. Ayun, meron na kaagad. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Clear. Exhale. Very good. Nothing. Here. Good. Last one. Upper. Nice one. Nothing more. Good. Alright. Sige. Up, up, up. Nice. Kabila. Kamusta yan? Mas nag-glide ba o same? Good. Next. Small of right there. Good. This one. Sa inner rib and sacral joint ng ating scapula. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice one. Good. Medyo malakas ng konto. Okay? Sa kabila. Left side. Right there. Good. Mas malalim ito sa rib. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Nice. Nothing more. Very good. Okay? Kamusta yung chest mo when I press? Okay lang? May pain? Wala. Good. Sige. Upper side right here. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Sobrang lalim. Okay? Tight. So, ang ipapress ko ay itong upper side. Hindi ko gagalawin ito. Right there. Okay? Misdirect lang itong isa. Good. Ready? Inhale. Shoulder down. Exhale. Very good. Nice one.
Oh,
Nice
fuck.
one. Sorry.
Layan.
Pero makulog. Pupasin natin ng maayos. Okay. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Nice one. Right there. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice
Oh.
one. Yeah. How is it?
Good.
Pera mo ko nito. Yep. Baba ang siko. I-relax ang shoulder. Hawak ka sa kamay ko. Yan. Ibaba ang siko. Relax ang shoulder. Very good right there. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How's it? Mas malalim na part yun. Kaya hindi natin kailangan i-press na i-press.
Do I hold on tight?
Yes. Tapos i-relax na. Yeah. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Good. How is it? Medyo naramdaman. Good. Nice. Good. Mukhang pagod na pagod yung paa mo. Okay. Right there. Next is a cuboid. Here, sa upper side ng ating paa. Good. Relax ito. Nice one. Upper side. Nice one. Good. Next is sa ating heel and ankle. Okay? Ito. Lupay-pay lang ito. Good. Yep. Nice one. Good. You good? Nice one. Lower, out. Good. Nice one. Okay ka lang?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next is a heel. Good. Nice one. Okay. Good. Nothing more. Good. Nice. Loose. Nothing. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Double check natin. Nice. Ito meron ng konti. Okay? Sige. Right there. Good. Relax. Nothing here. Very good. Nice one.
I'm scared.
Nothing more. Yes. Very good. Wala masyado. Very clear and healthy. Nice one. Good. Nice. Nice one. There. Okay. Good. Next is a balakang. See? Relax. So right positioning. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Good.
Oh!
Relax, relax, relax.
Ah.
Dami. Okay? Nice one. Relax ang shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Good.
Oh!
Good. Very good. Alright.
Ah.
Very good pa ito. Nice. Wala masyadong nakikis-kisan. Pero release lang natin ang tension. Nothing. Very good. Nice. Very clear yung ating and healthy yung ating carpal bones. Nice. Nothing here. Nice. Last one. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Kamusta yan?
Yeah.
Ano sabi?
Okay lang. Opera, pero bumabalik daw. So,
Bumabalik kasi talaga ito.
yeah.
Ang pinaka nagiging real cause nito is compromising yung pinaka carpal bones. Nade-deform at naiipit yung ating pulley. Pulley dito. Yung pulley na parang ligament support ng ating daliri. Once na naiipit yun dito, yung fluid niya itself ay lumalabas kaya nagiging ganglion cyst. Right. Kakaroon din ako ng ganyan. Paminsan. Kasi kapag naiipit ito na sobra. O nasobrahan sa basketball, nasobrahan sa sports, kakaroon dito. Okay? So, let's see. See this one? Yan. Nararamdaman mo yan? Okay. Once I push here, any pain?
Wala na.
Good. Release lang natin. Let's see there. See? Let's see down. Good. Good. Okay. Right off right there. Relax. Good. When I press here, masakit? Sobra?
No.
Good. See? Okay. Again. Here. Relax. Shoulder and elbow. Nice one. Last one here. Good. Nice. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. 2 and 1. Good. Here. Relax. Okay. Very good. Mhm. See? Nice. Masakit?
Hindi naman. Yan, masakit.
Good. Okay, so ito, gagawin mo dito, at compress, and then press.
Okay.
Press. So what we're going to do is press, while hot compressing, press, engage. Okay? Tigasan mo lahat. Go. Press,
Mahina yung
press,
grip
ito. Grip mo. Press, 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 and then after 10 seconds, release.
Okay.
Nakapindot pa din. Okay? Press again, 10 seconds, release.
Okay.
Okay? Relax
10
and release. Good. Yan, para at least, umimpis na ito at lumaloy na at hindi na masyadong makapunta doon sa pinaka mag-lock, kumbaga,
Okay.
or mabara. Okay? Ayan, press mo lang ito. Grip ka, tagawin mo.
Hindi. Hindi ako
Yung
malakas
grip mo
mag
ba ay hindi malakas?
Yeah. It's very
Dahil
weak.
dito. Dahil yan dyan. Tignan mo yung kabila.
And this is stronger.
Grip. Go.
Yun na yan.
Kabila. See? The difference? Okay. So ito, tignan natin kung magkakaroon ng i-unlock natin. Nice. Last one. Nice. Nice. Last one here. Good. Okay, upper side. Lower. Nice. Twist. Nice. Good. Okay. Let's see. Tigas. Grip. Masakit ito? Good. Sige, stay grip. Good. Ready, stay grip. So, masakit? Kaya,
Yung ano lang, yung pag-glide lang.
go. Press. Grip. And release. Nice. Okay. Grip again. Release. Very good. Grip again. Nice. Release. Good. Grip. Last one. Good. Grip pa. And release. Nice. Okay. Let's see again. Very good. Okay. So, medyo lumambot na siya. Same. Gagawin mo yung ganon. While hot compress, press, grip. Okay. Hanggang sa maramdaman mo yung grip mo na matigas na or malakas. Onting press pa lang. Masakit na? Number 2 right here. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And traps muscle. Acromion joint. Masakit. Number 1 here. Number 2. Number 3. 4. And 5. Masakit din? Ayos lahat. Here. And here. Masakit din. So, lahat ng area. Okay? Sige, release lang natin ito. Sige, relax ang shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Nice one.
Ah!
Inhale and exhale.
Okay.
Nice. Malakas?
Chicharon.
Chicharo na. Okay. Good. Nice one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ito. Shoulder down. Very good. Nice one. Good. Good. Close your mouth, bite your teeth. Natural. Okay, inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax ito. Mas light lang yung gagawin natin.
Ah! Anong light doon? Ah.
Relax lang. Yep, ganyan. Okay? So, maipapractice ito with everyday exercise and stretching. Tuturo ko sa iyo mamaya. Right here. Sige. Relax. Any pain?
Wala na.
Good. So, this is the pasugan. Cervical number 1. Press 1. Press 2. Press 3. Kamusta? Good? Nice. Number 2. Press 1. 2. 3.
Ah.
May pain? Okay.
Okay.
Number 3. 1, 2, and 3. Same or
Hindi, mas masakit
mas
sila.
less? Okay, good. Number 4. Mas sinitigasan ko lang yung pagpindot kasi para at least mas maramdaman mo yung difference. Kamusta to?
Yan, wala.
Good. Muscle up.
Wala.
Traps muscle.
Wala.
Good. Acorium joint.
Yan,
Merong
konti lang.
konti. Good. Nice. Number 1.
Wala.
Good. Number 2.
Wala.
Number 3.
Wala na.
Number 4.
Wala.
And last one.
Wala.
Nice. Ito.
Wala.
Ito.
Wala na.
Good. Kanina masakit to. Ano nangyari?
Meron konti.
Good. So, merong muscle knots na tinatawag. How's this one? Meron to. This is and then sa middle side. Kamusta to? And then here. This is the tunnel. See? So this time, ang gagawin mo, ito. Up, all the way, and then sideward down. Okay? Ako magsasabi. So tandaan mo yung pain nung una at yung huling hagod natin. Okay? Ready? Go up. Sige, all the way up. Nice one. Sige, sige, go, go. And sideward down. Nice one. This time, engage. Ito. Lakasan. Tigasan. At saka, hindi, ito. Kung hindi mo kaya i-grip, tigasan mo na lang yung shoulders mo tapos itaas mo yung kamay mo. Kung kaya mong tigasan ang iyong shoulders. Ready? Tigas ha. Go. Tigasan ang shoulders. Labanan ng pigpindot ko. Sige, tigasan mo yung shoulder mo. Good. Sideward down. Nice one. Good. Relax na yung kamay. Ready? Wait, 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 wait. Go up. How's this? Very good. Diba? Kamusta yung difference nung una at ngayon?
Layo.
See? Ganun siya kabilis. So, proper way of releasing ng muscles. Kahit gaano pa siya kasakit, gaano siya kabigat, gaano kabugbog sa kahit saang activities natin. Okay? Let's see. Huwag mo nang movement. Wala mo nang movement. Right there. Okay? See this one. This is the muscle mass na tinatawag. Okay? This is the middle one right here. This is the knuckle muscle. Okay? And then, opening the tunnel. Yep. Matigas. Tough. Sige. Ready? Kamay. Itaas. Up. Sige, go. Taas pa, all the way pa, all the way. Good. Sideward down. Very good. Nice. First time mo yan? Mhm. Engage. This time. Tigasan. Labanan ang aking pagpindot. Go. Sige pa, matigas pa. Good. Downside. Sige, hanggang dun sa baba dapat matigas. Yes. Kasi with the proper movement, mas nakukuha natin yung pinaka main muscle na merong problema. Okay? Relax na yung kamay. Let's see again. Ready, go up. How's this? How's this?
Better.
Right here. So, meron din dito. Okay? So, part na siya ng ating upper ring joint. Ito yung masakit. Okay? Ito yung iniinda ko palagi. Masakit. Down. Relax. Yuko. Good. Right there. Relax. Stretch natin. Good. Nice one. Go, 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 go. Nice. Adding more. Okay. Upper side. Last one. Nice. Very good. Up. Para makanita. Yeah. Sige na. Relax. Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Kabila. Good. Nice one. Here. Nothing more. Nice one. Last one, inner side. Nice. Nothing. Same. Kabila. Pero makulit. Good. Nice one. Relax. Good. Nice one. Nothing. Nice. Very clear. Nice one. Unlike here. Good. Last is sa ating ears. Ating pandinig, ano? Para maayos natin yung ating hearing senses at maayos natin yung airflow sa ating ears at mabawasan yung ating vertigo and migraine dahil nakakonekta ito sa ating temple muscle. Relax ito. Yung leg. Yan. Good. Snap natin. Nandyan pa, nandyan pa.
Wala na akong tenga.
Yan. Relax ang shoulder. Yep. Here. Good. Nice one. Okay. How is it?
Hindi ko
Very
ma-describe.
malakas. Very malakas. Okay.
Ganyan.
So, good evening again. We're done with...
Vina Vince.
Yes. Vina, kamusta yung pinaka-experience mo?
Sobrang, paano ba, refreshing.
Mhm.
Kasi, from doing the North Loop to, stretching everything,
Mhm.
sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam.
Mas magaan.
Yes.
Mhm. Kamusta yung difference nung katawan mo before tayo mag-start at ngayon?
Better.
Mhm.
Okay na. Na-loosen up.
Mas loose na. Okay, let's see again. Posture up. Tingin sa kaliwa. Tingin sa kanan. Yan, kamusta yan?
Better.
Good.
Kasi dito yung masikip kanina.
Kanina masikip. Sige. Tingala. Sige. 90 degrees. Right there. How is it?
Mas, na siya, mas loosen up na siya.
Good. Wala nang sobrang tension.
Yes.
Sige, yuko. Check natin yung connection kanina. Here. Meron pa?
Wala nang sakit.
Wala na.
Wala.
Good. Tignan natin yung rotation. Go. Twist. Yan. Ito yung normal side. Kamusta to? Mas loose na?
Yes.
Good. Kabila. Go. Yan. Ito yung normal. Here. How's it?
Mas na. Mas loose na.
Mas easy.
Yes. Mas
Good.
madali.
Tignan naman
Sa
natin
kanya.
yung iyong shoulders mula sa harap. Kanina masikip, di ba?
Mhm.
Ilagpas sa tenga. Go. Nice. Mas magaan?
Yes.
Sa side. All the way up. Nice. Kanina ano?
Kanina, ang
Sobrang
hirap eh.
sikip. Ngayon, sobrang
Sobrang
gaan.
magaan na siya.
Nice
no?
one.
Wala nang dito, pipigil.
Wala nang pigil.
Yes.
Very good. Ang dami-daming
Sarap.
tumunog.
Oo
Okay?
nga.
Sige.
Sobrang lutong.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Rock Nation. I'm Vina Vince. I just experienced
Aster?
Sir Aster.
Yes.
Yung ano ba tawag doon? Ulitin natin.
Chiropractic therapy.
Therapy na lang.
Yes.
Haba eh. Hi, Rock Nation.
Rock Nation.
Hi, Rock Nation. I'm Vina Vince and I just experienced Sir Aster's therapy. Sobrang refreshing niya and sobrang na-loosen up ako since we just did a North Loop with Ride by the PH. Make sure to follow them.
Yes.
And para makita niyo yung adventures namin. At
Wow.
for sure naman, i-recommend ko siya dun sa mga kasama namin sa pag-loop and
Yes.
to other team.
Mhm.
So, follow nyo din sana yung Palitaw Queen and innovative.smh. That's it. And EV Music Production and Events.
Nice. Thank you so much.